Hi friends, do you have any problem with your Bose soundbar? Don't worry, watch this video before doing reset. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset soundbar, whether it is 300, 600, or 900. The most important things is that you should know in which condition you have to do the reset. The remote is not working. Soundbar failed to connecting with TV or subwoofer or satellite speakers. There is no sound coming. Soundbar is not turning off. Can't connect with home Wi-Fi. These are some common issues that can solve by resetting the soundbar. A soft reset is useful when the soundbar is frozen or unresponsive, and a hard reset comes in handy when you want to wipe the device's settings and start like a fresh device. How to soft reset a Bose soundbar? Soft reset doesn't delete any of your settings or data. First, turn off the soundbar by pressing the power button for a few seconds. Next, unplug the soundbar from the power outlet. Unplug all the cables from the soundbar, including the HDMI, optical, and USB cables. Wait a few seconds, and then plug all the cables back into the soundbar. Now, plug the soundbar back into the power outlet and turn on the soundbar by pressing the power button. Still have problem? Then go for hard reset. For the Bose Soundbar 500, 700, and 900, press and hold the power and skip forward buttons simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. For the Bose Soundbar 300 and 600, press and hold the play, pause, and volume down button for a few seconds. Your Bose soundbar will now reset, and it will take a couple of minutes for the process to complete. Watch for solid white lights on your soundbar. If you see a solid amber light, it means the reset process is complete. Your soundbar will now be set to factory defaults.